Hi there, today we are making again skin whitening Korean rice water as my friend forgot how to make it. So we take a cup of rice, any kind of rice, wash it well 3 times and then rinse it off. At the fourth time, we just put the water in a container. Okay, we don't throw the water and then you can use as much how much you want and the rest you can use it for later. I do it every day because it's so rejuvenating for your skin. It's actually an anti-aging water too. So you splash all over your face and neck, then gently massage all over your face and neck. I suggest you not to dry or wipe it out with your towel. Let it just dry and let your skin absorb itself. You can just massage only and you can see the result from 7 to 14 days. Thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.